Thank you for joining the Enterprising Conversation channel. I'm your channel host, Rendani. This is the sights and sounds of Mzansi. Today I am focusing on the sights and sounds of Burgersfort. This is the area that is highly underrated in terms of tourism. The first time I went there, I was taken aback and just appreciated the scenic beauty of the area. I also appreciated how vibrant economically the area was. Now, in this video podcast, as you can see, I'm standing on the monument of the King Sekhukhune of the Bapedi tribe. It's on mountain top. That's where the king was captured and unfortunately murdered by the colonialists. And I'm taking this shot with Masello Mogale. Masello Mogale grew up in this area. She's the one who's been giving me the history of this area. By the way, the interesting part of this area is that, which I didn't know, is that these surrounding villages, this area here where the monument of King Sekhukhune is situated on the mountain top, is actually the original Sekhukhuneland. This is where all the great exploits of the king happened. So yeah, the villages around this area include Ga-Manyaka and Driekop, Shishi. Now this area is next to the platinum mine, the platinum mine, Marula Platinum, I mean to say, and Twickenham mining. Obviously Marula Platinum is, they are mining platinum there, whilst Twickenham is a mine that is extracting chrome. Yeah, so this is I just admired the properties, some of the properties that are on the foot of the mountain. They are so beautiful, they are amazing. Limpopo is renowned for people who like building nice houses, be it in villages or townships. They always do their best to build very nice houses. The majority of people in Limpopo, of course, are migrant laborers, migrant workers rather, in the provinces of Gauteng and other provinces, but most of those will go to these other provinces like your Gauteng to work. Actually, make sure that they build houses back home where they hail from, so that when they go there on holidays or when they retire, they can actually enjoy their retirement from the comfort of their homes. So this is the beauty of this area is just breathtaking. These rocky mountains, this lush green trees are just amazing. Yeah, this is the area, like I said, very close to, as you have seen, there's the first scene that I shot. I was on mountain top where the statue and the monument of the great king of the Bapedi nation was captured. Yeah, this is the beautiful landscape, rolling mountains, rolling hills. It is amazing. One thing that just kept ringing at the back of my mind as we were driving through this area was, how on earth is it possible that this area is not a tourism hotspot? It boggles the mind. It boggles the mind. You know, of course, there are many mines, estimated around 27, 28 mines that are in this area. It's a mineral rich area, but of course tourism can do a lot to absorb the armies of young people that are not employed in these areas, and you just see a missed opportunity. And one thing that just rang at the back of my mind was that in South Africa we do not have a lack of jobs. We just do not have perhaps people who are entrepreneurial enough, or the government is not really doing a lot in terms of playing an enabling role, supporting SMMEs, people to take up this opportunity. But interestingly, when Masello was taking me through these areas, I was actually talking to her about the potential of this area, and I was like, we were reading from the same page. I was just saying, Masello, this area is ripe for tourism. It's ideal for tourism. I can just see backpackers on these mountains. You can see tourism just, bowled over by the beauty of this area. And Masello is one of the people who grew up in this area, and she's one of the entrepreneurs in these areas, and she has already made a resolve to pursue the formation of a tourism. She's on it as I speak. I'm giving away a secret, but she's definitely doing something. She'll be open for business. She's probably open for business as I speak, taking these opportunities so that the beauty of this area can be shared with the people of South Africa and from abroad. Here is this modern building, one of the most beautiful houses in this area. Yes, most of the people make their livelihood from mines, surrounding mines, one of which is Marula Platinum, Mudigwa, and Twickenham. Just look at these houses. Imagine yourself sitting on the balcony, just taking in the views. It's almost dreamy. It's almost unreal. This area rocks. It's so tranquil. And the other thing about this area is that it is extremely safe. Yeah, the history that Masello shared with me about this area was that the platinum, I don't know if all the mining per se, but the platinum was discovered by Anglican missionaries in these areas. They discovered the platinum in this area, and that's how some of the mining in the area got started. The missionaries are still in the surrounding areas, and they still have churches that they built. So just look at this breathtaking place, and you tell me that there are no jobs, the young people are not working. It doesn't make sense to me. This area is roaring with opportunity. It's alive with opportunity. Yes.